We'll guide you through how to lock apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you don't want somebody on your device to go and access an app, so what we can do is go and lock it. We'll guide you through this step by step, so make sure you watch this full guide, and let's get started. So first of all, you want to go and find the app that you want to go and lock. You can go and swipe across your phone until you can go and find it. So let's go and say I wanted to go and do this with a social app like TikTok. What you then need to do is go and tap and hold your finger on it like so. Don't just tap and hold it until you see the list of options. To go and lock it, you need to use the option require Face ID, so you can tap there. Now you can go and require Face ID, or you can hide and require Face ID. We're just going to do require Face ID, but if you hide it, you have to keep swiping across until you get to the app library, and there'll be a hidden folder right at the bottom. We'll just do require Face ID like so, do Face ID, and that's it, it's now locked. So now when we try and open it up, you go and see we have to go and complete Face ID in order to go and then access it. So that's it, that is how you can go and lock apps. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then consider subscribing and liking the video.